Hey, Jay.
Oh, hey.
Got some questions about the new wire line.
Oh, the ThunderLink line
Yeah.
that's coming out? Yeah, actually, I'm setting some stuff up in the studio. Why don't you come on in? We can check some stuff out.
Sounds good.
Cool. What do you want to know about the line?
Why don't you start by just telling me what's in it?
Oh, geez. It's a lot. Like, it's 60-something new products that we're going to come out with. I mean, if you got some time, we can kind of go over stuff. I don't know if we're going to have enough time because that's days worth of explanation.
I've got some time.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, we're going to have a new line, ThunderLink line. I mean, basically, we're reinvigorating the whole, wire branding. We're going to have RCAs from as low as, 1.5 feet to 17 feet. We're even going to have them in 2-channel, 4-channel, and 6-channel. There's going to be new power kits. Everything, all brand new logo. Speaker wires, been revamped. All the wiring is going to be 100% OFC copper. We're even going to have connectors, ring terminals, new distro blocks. Man, even the shrink wrap's going to have our logo on it. So it's a whole big new thing that I'm really excited for.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, yeah, it is a lot.
Why don't you tell me what stands out to you about the line?
Like on a personal note?
Yeah.
There was a lot of thought process, going through this. I know this was several years in the making. A lot of people don't know that. Me personally, what I like about the entire line, now a lot of people don't know this, that I used to install for 20 something years. I don't look it, but yeah, I've been in the trenches, with all the other technicians as well at that point. But one thing that kind of stands out to me, if hopefully I can say this, is on the new RCAs, for instance. All the minute details. There's numerics on the the multi channels.
Yeah.
So when you're running, and those of you who can kind of feel my pain, if you're running multi-channel and then as you're running it, the lines get messed up and you don't know what's what, and you have to do continuity tests. Now these are numbers. You don't have to double tape and triple tape what's front, what's rear. And then just the overall aesthetic of the quality. You have your braid, your logo, just cool stuff like that.
That is cool. Anything else?
Actually, this is really, really cool. On the power kits, one thing I like about the new ones is that and we're going to kind of advertise this later, is a high flex mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so...
What does that mean?
Well, okay, so, big wire sometimes is really hard to maneuver. So this is aught gauge, 0 gauge. And we're going to advertise this as high flex, so that now it's so easy to flex in the event that you need to run it a certain way or you need to maneuver around stuff. It's not this big old giant obstacle to wrap stuff around.
Wow.
This thing it's pretty cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is that it?
I don't know if I'm allowed to show you this, but I guess since the line's gonna come out soon, this is one of my personal favorites. This is a RGB. It's an RGB whole wire thing.
Oh wow! And
yeah.
What is it for?
So for a lot of our power sports, installers and dealers and customers, a lot of our speaker line has, our PS series speaker line, our MUD 65 series speaker line, they have built-in RGB lighting, right? Mm-hmm. And so prior to now, we don't have any wiring. So people have to just run all kinds of speaker line or whatever wire they could find. And now with this new line, you're going to have speaker wire and you're going to have RGB for the lighting on one really compact but insulated, cable.
Cool.
So it's going to make the install easier. It's going to make it look cleaner. This is really cool. So for those of you who are in the power sports side, this is a must.
So is this street wires?
Well, that's actually a good question. So the new ThunderLink line is from the same engineers, from the same people that build the street wire line. It's going to be the same quality control, the same blood, sweat, and tears that you would expect from our wire line. But from what I know, we want to rebrand everything to kind of have a one unified look and feel of all of our products
Yeah.
kind of
right.
come together, you know.
So why did you guys decide to do a new line?
I mean, we've taken the years of, you know, when all of our customers, when all of the dealers, you know, things that can be improved, things, you know, anywhere where people give us suggestions, we always see it as an opportunity. And we took all of those suggestions and we think in terms of the people in mind, right? The installers and the dealers, and we want to support them with as many products as we can. So we reinvigorated the whole line to, you know, any minute detail from the ring terminals to even like the shrink wrap having our name on it. I mean, we want to make sure we support everyone. You know, if you're doing beauty panels or if it's your first install, that we're here to make sure you got what you need.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm really excited for it. And
Yeah, me too.
Thanks for answering all my questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Impressive.
Ain't that crazy? I mean, 10 years ago, you couldn't do this to, you know, zero gauge wire, let alone, you know, even now sometimes. And I'm a little guy, so for me to do that it says a lot, because this wire would probably break me.
Oh my gosh. All right, thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
See ya.